Are you tired of constant coughing keeping you up at night? Instead of reaching straight for cough syrups, nature already has powerful remedies waiting for you. In today's video, we'll explore the top healing foods for effective cough relief, safe, natural, and proven to work. Stay tuned till the end, because some of these remedies might already be sitting in your kitchen right now. A cough is the body's natural defense mechanism, designed to clear irritants, mucus, or pathogens from the respiratory tract. While occasional coughing can be harmless, persistent coughs caused by colds, flu, allergies, or respiratory infections can be uncomfortable and disruptive. Instead of immediately turning to over-the-counter syrups, many people are now seeking natural remedies to soothe their throat and support healing. Among the most effective options are healing foods, nutrient-rich, anti-inflammatory, and soothing ingredients that work with your body's natural defenses. Let's explore some of the best foods and beverages that can provide effective relief from coughing. Honey. Nature's cough syrup. Honey has been used for centuries as a natural cough suppressant. Its thick consistency coats the throat, reducing irritation, while its antimicrobial properties help fight infection. Studies show that honey can be just as effective as common cough medicines for soothing nighttime coughs in children and adults. A teaspoon of raw honey before bed, added to warm water, or mixed with lemon tea can provide immediate comfort. However, it should not be given to children under 1 year due to the risk of botulism. Ginger. The anti-inflammatory root. Ginger contains powerful compounds called gingerols and shogaols, which have anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial effects. These properties help relax airway muscles, reduce irritation, and fight underlying infections that may cause coughing. Ginger tea made from fresh slices simmered in hot water is one of the most effective ways to consume it. Adding honey and lemon enhances both its flavor and its healing effects. Turmeric, golden healing spice. Turmeric, rich in curcumin, is well known for its anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting properties. Drinking warm turmeric milk, often referred to as golden milk, can soothe throat irritation and reduce coughing spells. Combining turmeric with black pepper increases absorption of curcumin, making it more effective in supporting respiratory health. Garlic, natural antimicrobial powerhouse. Garlic has antiviral, antibacterial, and antifungal properties, making it a potent natural remedy for infections that cause coughs. Consuming raw garlic may help fight viruses and bacteria in the respiratory tract, while garlic tea or garlic-infused honey can provide additional relief. Regular garlic intake also strengthens the immune system, helping to prevent recurrent coughs. Pineapple. A sweet enzyme remedy. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, an enzyme with anti-inflammatory and mucolytic properties. It helps break down mucus, making it easier to expel from the respiratory tract, while also reducing irritation in the throat. Drinking fresh pineapple juice or consuming small slices can provide soothing benefits, especially for coughs accompanied by congestion. Peppermint, cooling and soothing herb. Peppermint contains menthol, which acts as a natural decongestant by thinning mucus and soothing irritated throats. Peppermint tea or inhaling steam from peppermint oil can provide quick relief from cough and congestion. Its cooling effect also helps reduce the tickling sensation that triggers coughing fits. Warm soups and broths. Comfort for the airways. Chicken soup and vegetable broths provide hydration, warmth, and essential nutrients that support healing. The steam from hot soup helps clear nasal congestion, while the liquid soothes the throat. Adding garlic, ginger, turmeric, and black pepper to soups enhances their medicinal value. Licorice root, natural throat soother. Licorice root has been traditionally used to relieve throat irritation and coughing. It acts as an expectorant, helping to loosen mucus, while also reducing inflammation. Licorice tea is a popular way to consume it, though it should be avoided in large amounts by people with high blood pressure. Probiotic-rich foods. Gut and immune support. A healthy immune system plays a vital role in fighting infections that trigger coughs. Probiotic foods such as yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables support gut health, which in turn strengthens overall immunity. Consuming these foods regularly may reduce the frequency and duration of cough-related illnesses. Hydrating foods and fluids, essential for healing. Coughing often leads to dehydration, which can make symptoms worse. Staying hydrated with warm herbal teas, coconut water, or water-rich fruits like oranges and melons helps thin mucus and keep the throat moist. Adequate hydration also supports the body's natural healing processes. Healing foods offer more than temporary relief from coughing. They address the root causes, strengthen immunity, and promote overall wellness. Honey, ginger, turmeric, garlic, pineapple, peppermint, soups, licorice root, probiotics, and hydrating foods all play a role in soothing irritation and supporting respiratory health. Incorporating these natural remedies into your diet can provide comfort, speed up recovery, and reduce dependence on chemical cough syrups. Always remember that if a cough persists for more than 2 weeks or is accompanied by serious symptoms like chest pain, high fever, or difficulty breathing, it's important to seek medical attention.